Good morning, students. Yesterday we were discussing about lesson phrases. What are phrases? Phrases are part of a sentence. You know, phrases are many times, not many times, phrases are in the sentences. Let it be any sentence, phrases are in the sentence, and then these phrases are sometimes in the starting of the sentence, or in the ending of the sentence, or in the middle of the sentence. Okay, then here it is told, there is a definition of phrase: a group of words. What it is? A group of words which make some sense. What it is? A group of words which make some sense but not complete sense by itself. In yesterday's period also I told you there are some words which are called group of which are a group of words. Phrases means what? Group of words which make some sense. काहीतरी सांगतं आहे ते आपल्याला. इट टेल समथिंग, इट गिव्स अस समथिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन, बट डज नॉट मेक कंप्लीट सेन्स or does not give us complete information, and such words are called phrases. Such group of words are called phrases. Now here are some rules of phrases. There are 5 rules of phrases. How many rules are there? 5. Now first one is, a phrase does not contain a verb. Yesterday I have told you this rule. Phrase does not contain verb. Verb means what? Verbs are called action words. Yesterday I have read that sentence for you from first lesson, correct, in parts of speech. Verbs are what? Verbs are action words. And what it is told, that phrases do not have verbs. Phrases do not have verb. First point. Second point which is given over here is, it is always a part of sentence. What is always part of a sentence? A phrase or a group of words which is called phrase is always part of sentence. We cannot say that a phrase is outside of the sentence or it is not part of a sentence. Phrase is always a part of sentence. This is our second rule. Third rule which is given in the book is, it can occur in any position. It can occur in any position in the sentence. What is meaning of this sentence? What it is? It can occur in any position means what? In the sentence. It can be in the starting of the sentence, it can be in the middle of the sentence, or it can be in the end of the sentence. Anywhere it can occur. कुठे पण असू शकतो phrase. Okay. Group of words is called phrases, and these phrases can be anywhere. Understood? This is our third rule. Correct? There are some sentences which are having phrases in the starting. There are some sentences which are having phrases in the middle. And there are some sentences which are having phrases at the end of the sentence. And the fourth rule, this is third rule, okay, and fourth rule, it is told that there can be one or more phrases in one sentence. There can be what? There can be one or more phrases. There can be one or more phrases in the sentence. एक किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्त फ्रेजेस असू शकतात एका वाक्यामध्ये, एका सेंटेन्समध्ये. अँड अ सेंटेन्स कॅन हॅव, अँड देर इज वन थिंग, phrases many times what they start with? They start with preposition. This is the fifth point. Generally phrases begin with prepositions. If you want to find out phrases in the sentence, you should know prepositions. Which words are prepositions? In, at, of, of, between, betwen, between, but no, it is not a preposition. Just a minute, I will tell you more. At, then the, Then along, along. Across, across. There are some more phrases prepositions I want to tell you. After, after, after. From, for. Before, before. More I want to tell you are more words which are prepositions. You can go and check in your, if you want to know more prepositions, at least 10 prepositions I have told you now. If you want to know more prepositions, you can go on Google search. There will be hundreds of prepositions in Google search. You will find out and you will get it. And these all words are prepositions, and many times if you want to find out phrases in the sentence, phrase always starts with which words? Phrases always starts with preposition. For example, now there are some sentences I will read for you. It is there in the book. See, here it is. First one sentence. The boy hid behind the door. Behind काय? Behind preposition है. Okay, and then from here only what starts? Group of words, and this group of words is called what? Phrase. Here, on the last day of school, on काय? On is preposition. On is what? On is preposition. So on the last day of school is what? This full group of words is called phrase. Now here are some sentences I will show you here now. She came to the wedding in a pretty blue dress. Now from where phrases will start? In. In is what? In is a preposition in the sentence. In काय? Preposition is sentence मध्ये. मग आपण काय करायचं? अंडरलाइन करायचं. इथे दिलेले क्वेश्चन. अंडरलाइन द phrases in the following sentences. In a pretty blue color. Understood? From here you have to underline, and this much part of the sentence is what? It is a phrase. Second one is, I want to buy a stamped envelope. What I want to buy? I want to buy stamped envelope. Now I want to buy a stamped envelope. Now from where does the phrase will start? From here. I want will not come in that. To buy a stamped envelope. TO2 का है? TO2 हा preposition है. Let us have a picnic at National Park next weekend. Are you understanding? Now in this, what is phrase? Fourth one, the dog ran down the path to the woods. Fifth one, after dinner they sat by the fireside. Sixth sentence, before long he felt tired. Seventh, late last night a burglar broke into the flat next to ours. Eighth one, there will be a drawing competition next week. Ninth one, go to the living room. 10th one, Rakesh was meeting her after 8 years. 11th one, I must go to Kolkata by the first available train. And 12th one, from tomorrow you must finish your homework before dinner. Total how many sentences are there? There are total 12 sentences. How many sentences are there total? 12 sentences, and whatever tick mark or whatever underline is done in this book, it is wrong. I will correct those phrases, and then we will take these phrases on Thursday. When we will take these phrases, we will take these sentences on Thursday. Now before that I want to ask you is, have you understood phrases? Phrases means what? It is a group of words in a sentence. एका वाक्यामध्ये काही शब्द जे एकत्र असतात त्याला आपण फ्रेज म्हणतो. मग आता हे शब्द जे एकत्र असतात ते कसे ओळखायचे? जे शब्द ते ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स आहे ना, त्याची स्टार्टिंग कशापासून होती? व्हर्बपासून होत नाही. व्हर्ब म्हणजे काय? ॲक्शन वर्ड्स. आणि प्रत्येक सेंटेन्समध्ये व्हर्ब असतो, तेवढं सोडून द्यायचं. आणि रिमेनिंग पार्ट जिथून प्रिपोजिशनपासून सेंटेन्स चालू होतो, प्रिपोजिशन जिथे लागेल, जे शब्द प्रिपोजिशन्स आहेत तिथून जे शब्द चालू होतात किंवा जे शब्द असतात ते शब्द सगळे टुगेदर काय करायचे? अंडरलाईन करायचे आणि म्हणायचे हे फ्रेजेस आहे. अंडरस्टूड? and for this what you will have to do, you will have to learn prepositions. Which are prepositions? Correct? And phrases, don't only think phrases are in starting or then phrases are in the ending. No, it can be in the starting of sentence, it can be in the ending of sentence, or it can be in the middle of sentence. Anywhere phrases can be can be seen or you can find out phrases anywhere. Okay, anywhere means it should be there in sentence. सेंटेन्समध्ये असलं तरच ओळखता येईल, नाही तर तुम्हाला ओळखता येणार नाही. काही काही सेंटेन्सेसमध्ये फ्रेजेस नसतात. Okay, it is not compulsory that every sentence is having phrase. No, every sentence is not having phrase. Understood? In this way, phrases can occur at any position. Phrases can occur at any position. There can be in one sentence there can be one or more phrases. करेक्ट. एका सेंटेन्समध्ये एक फ्रेज असू शकता, एक ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स असू शकतो, नाहीतर दोन ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स असू शकतात. कळतं आहे? करेक्ट. अँड मोर व्हॉट इज दॅट? अ फ्रेज इज ऑलवेज पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेन्स. ते सेंटेन्स सोडून दुसरीकडे नसतात फ्रेजेस, ते नेहमी सेंटेन्समध्ये असतात. सेंटेन्स म्हणजे काय मराठीत? सेंटेन्स मीन्स वाक्य. वाक्यामध्येच असतात ते शब्द आणि ते शोधायचे असतात आपल्याला. अँड दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन Thursday's period. Now today is Saturday. We are going to meet on which day? Our timetable is changed, so we are going to meet straight away on Thursday next week. Have you understood lesson till here? I think I have tried my level best to explain you. Then if you have any problem, you can ask your parents. Okay, you can take help of your parents. Okay, we will meet on Thursday. Thank you.